Can you actually make an Android phone for gamers? Aren't they all spec-heavy beasts of incredible processing burden? These are the questions Razer will have to answer as it introduces its first-ever smartphone, appropriately titled the Razer Phone. This device has a 5.7-inch 1440p screen with variable refresh rate, rather like Apple's most recent iPad Pro, and a whopping 8GB of RAM, plus 64GB of expandable storage. It also includes stereo front-facing speakers with Dolby Atmos support and a generous 4000 mAh battery powering the flagship-standard Snapdragon 835 processor. A dual 12-megapixel camera system on the back works along the same lines as Apple's iPhone setup. One camera has an f1.8 lens for wide shots, and the other is a telephoto f2.6 shooter. I'd say the Razer Phone was designed to appeal to spec lovers, but having handled the device extensively ahead of today's launch, I struggle to believe that it was designed at all. I mean, just look at its characterless black-slab aluminum exterior. It's like someone revived Brutalist architects from the 1960s and tasked them with devising the world's blockiest phone.